G'day guys, Kane from Garage 11, and here we are today at the very end, the last stage of what we do with our restorations. We're in the photo studio getting a lot of really nice content for the bikes that we've finished up. We've got the Splitfire bike behind me getting photo shot at the moment. Pretty cool bike. We'll go through a little bit of a rundown on what we've done with that one. We've also got this 86 KX 500 that we're going to photo shoot because that's finally finished, which is really good. And we're going to sneak in a couple of shots of the 96 CR125. So stay tuned. We're going to do a bit of a behind the scenes for you. You'll be able to have a look at what goes on at our photo shoots. Thanks.